non-ideal solutions. For non-ideal solutions, the non-ideality does not affect the gas phase in any way because we are dealing with very moderate or low pressures. For non-ideal solution, you will still have on the left side Pi equals Yip equals, we add an activity coefficient on the liquid side. So gamma I xi Pi sat. So gamma I is called the activity coefficient. Activity coefficient. Now for dilute solutions, in other words, xi being very small, we can use this relationship, and that is Pi equals Yi times P equals Hixi. This is called Henry's law. This is valid only for small, lower ranges of xi, and xi is very small. Hi is called Henry's constant. Okay, and corresponding units will be there for Henry's constant. Okay. Okay. Now, in general, what is the general representation of equilibrium relationship? Why?